Now, as the ongoing agitations against non-repair of Imphal-Yairipok road gets intense, power supply under the Komba substation and water supply under Irilbung water supply has been stopped. Since there has been no positive response from the authority concerned amidst the ongoing protest, starting midnight tonight, there will be no exceptions made going forward and essential services will be stopped too. Briefing media at Ola Club this afternoon, co-convener of all Komba Road United Clubs Organization Akruko, Seram Surjit Singh, said the Imphal-Yairipok road has been left in a pathetic condition since time immemorial and many accidents have occurred on this road. The road has been blocked since 19th of this month in protest against the non-restoration of this road. If the government fails to act, all essential services will be stopped from midnight tonight except for media and medical services. Komba to Kairau Salam stretch of this road is the worst affected. Seram Surjit appealed to public to support the protest, which is being carried out in the interest of public. If people act against the protest, concerned authorities will need to bear the consequences, warned Seram Surjit. He also added that a meeting will be held at Ola Ground tomorrow at 11 a.m. where authorities concerned will need to state the reasons for halting road restoration work.
Imphal-Yairipok road ki yamna thina soglaba lambi asi sembiraktabdabde koi hokibba tang trampangi ahing nungai dagi koi lambi thingbagi kongjang mari ni suba asibogda government amasung mari lenama department contractor gi side tagi positive oiba response ama bok laktabadagi kongjang asigi makha chatrak poina ngasi nungthin pung amadagi kitang kanjanba kongjang oina Komba sub station na piriba mai line kudimak saudan tawba aduga loinana akhogi Irilbung water supply na piriba singi line kudingmaksu masi nungthin pung amadagi sadan tawragani haina akhoi miyam khangna lauthokpaga loinana masi phawbada akhoi government amasung mari lenaba singna tabiraktraba thawoi biraktragadi koi ngasi ahing nongai dagi akhoina nahan makhai lambi thingjabada konchalamdaba school college aduga essential servicing makhan kudingmakki humthing thingjanjaraga except electronic and print media aduga ana ayek asi anaga mari leinaba natana atopa kudingmakti akoi humthing thingjilagani haina lauthokjabaga loinana maduda phatanungda tholagadi madugi apapatagi daita kudingmak mari lenaba department amasung thabasi suba oremo contractor aduga loinana laiba masa masana pujagadabani haibasimasu mayam punamuki phanaba changjilakpo kongjangni haiduna saugatpiu amasung adomadom na khangna lambi sida lakpiganu haiduna chu hoi akukugi saitegi appeal tawjari.